Hello, everyone. The parliamentary process to appoint a new public protector has kicked off with the release of 38 nominations. Acting public protector Advocate Koleka Gcaleka is on the list of candidates who have accepted nomination for the position. The 7-year non-renewable term of suspended public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, currently fighting her impeachment in Parliament, ends on 14 October. Parliament has tasked the Ad Hoc Committee to recommend her replacement by August 31. The committee released a list of 38 nominations on Wednesday. It agreed that the 38 nominees, including their redacted CVs, will be published for public comment until July 21. A short list will then be made, followed by the announcement of the interview dates. The public protector is appointed by the President on the recommendation of the National Assembly. The committee also published a list of people whose nominations were deemed invalid due to failure to submit an acceptance letter and supporting documents. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.